Hello everyone. Valgus of the foot zone is a common foot problem which can bring a lot of inconvenience to the life of the patient and even lead to pain and inflammation of the foot. However, now with the foot zone valgus corrector, you can easily solve these problems. Adopt an ergonomic principle designed for bunion misalignment bone fit. It is very comfortable to wear and will not affect your walking and exercise. Double Velcro design, thickening more comfortable. The length can be adjusted as required. Thickened silicone pad for foot protection. The fixed thumb strap is designed with Velcro fabric. Free adjustment of tightness, fixed thumb correction. Stainless steel pivot can 180度 free movement. Does not affect the home walking situation correction.